It's kinda dark out. I do think this fight of the light, fight of the light. This is a rough draft, but fuck it, the timing was right.
You just said your music sound like the devil. And look at him. He on stage and his hair is just literally poking out. Like this man is Super Saiyan or something. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, what's going on? You being possessed right now, right? There is no way a fucking energy source was that big. Because y'all seen that at the top of the screen? You said, oh my God, I was electrocuted. Dude, if you was electrocuted, your body would have reacted. Something would have reacted. You would have fell out, fainted. You would have, did some shakes, some wiggles. This man literally is standing here, literally going Super Saiyan on some Home Alone. Y'all know when dudes, y'all remember Home Alone when dude shocked himself and his hair stood up? Like, bro, come on, man. Ain't nobody buying that. That's an entity controlling you at that point. Look, come on, man.
It's just a few drops, but yes, we do consume each other's blood on occasion for ritual purposes.
So your music sound like the devil. You on stage getting controlled and possessed by entities, and y'all drinking each other's blood for ritualistic purposes. Get the fuck out of here.
This is a very intense relationship and it's cyclical, and so it gets to these points where we have to do cleansings. I had gotten to a point where I was like, we need an adrenaline injection of God in this relationship.
So you needed an adrenaline injection of God in your relationship, and you thought to yourself, let me do this ritual and become a vampire real quick. Like, dog, do y'all not understand what the industry is, bro? Like, these people, bro. So, somebody explain to me what that is. Again, we just recently seen this in the Kodak Black video, right? So explain to me what that is, right? Come on, man. Y'all, this is by coincidence. It's just by coincidence, I guess. You know what I'm saying? All of this is everybody just thinking the same shit. Let's just all throw the same horns in our video. That's what's going on, I guess. Right? Come on, man.
My music sound like the